Let's make the perfect storm from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the perfect storm from the Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I'm not a professional bartender. I used to work in a dive bar, but I spent more time drinking in dive bars, so I have a fondness for really simple drinks. And the perfect storm is one of those really simple drinks. The perfect storm is Kraken Rum's version of a safe harbor. A safe harbor is any rum drink that uses rum and ginger beer, commonly referred to as Dark and Stormies. However, Dark and Stormy is trademarked by Gosling's Rum, so professionally we cannot call it a Dark and Stormy unless we use Gosling's Rum. And so the Kraken called theirs a perfect storm. If you'd like to know more about that history, I will link the videos down below to my safe harbor video and the Gosling's Dark and Stormy video. A note on the rum. This is the Kraken's perfect storm. If you're not using the Kraken's Black Spiced Rum, then you are not really making their perfect storm. You may be making a great safe harbor, but it's not a perfect storm. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and the Kraken uses parts instead of ounces, so that means if it's a really big glass, you can make a really big drink as long as you keep the parts the same. You just have to adjust your units. I'm using a highball with 8 ounces in it, so I'm going to be using ounces. I'm going to start by adding ice to my glass. One more, or 2. Then I'm going to get my ginger beer, and 3 parts ginger beer to 1 part rum, so I'm going to put about 6 ounces of the ginger beer in the bottom of the glass. 6 ounces is about something metrics. I'll put it in the subtitles down below. How many ounces in this? Oh, 12, so it should be half of the bottle. It's going to be less than that because of the ice. But you'll have to forgive me, Kraken, for screwing up your proportions. Let that settle a little bit. A little bit more. That's not half-ish. Oh well. Then, 1 part of the rum. 1 part is going to be about 2 ounces. Let's see if I can get 2 ounces in there. And we're going to try to float this on top. Oh, I poured too slow and it ran down the side of my jigger, which will benefit our proportions. Get us back in line. We could have put a little bit more ginger beer in there. Oh, well. Garnish. The official garnish for this is a lime wheel twist. And I'd never done one before, and I wasn't going to try doing it on camera. But I cut it, and I twisted it, and I put this skewer through it, and it made a little S, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to add a straw. And my garnish is going to sink because of the ice. There we go. I'll do it that way. And there you have it. Perfect storm from the Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. You may want to mix it, otherwise you're just going to get ginger beer and then black spiced rum. Up to you. Cheers. This may be the fanciest garnish I've ever made. So the question of the day is, what is your fanciest garnish? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to improve my skills by trying something more challenging. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want one, you can have one. All you have to do is contact me through one of those social media links down below and we'll figure out a way for you to get one. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me on one of those. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe if you enjoy what I'm doing here, and so you don't miss out on any more Kraken Rums. Or based drinks. Kraken Rum based drinks. Cheers.